things that are going to be needed for this project. You're going to need 2 glasses, just regular sized glasses, and I already have these taped up. This one has a gold rim, and these can be purchased at the Dollar Tree, as well as these candle holders. You need 2 of these, and also these 2. These are actually candle holders as well. They have them in gold and silver. This one I'm doing gold, and these can be purchased at the Dollar King. If you don't have one in your city, look it up online, and you may be able to order those. So you're going to need tape, gold spray paint, or you can use also acrylic paint, and glue gun, glue sticks. So let's get started. Okay, so I've taped these off. And all I want is just 2 little strips of gold. That's all I want. The rest is taped off just for protection so it doesn't get on the rest of it. So I'm going to start off by putting these upright and just spray painting them. Now honestly, you should probably use acrylic. You could get acrylic gold paint at any craft store, probably also at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to try to cover this way. And then I'm going to do this one as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and let those dry. So now that this is dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. And hopefully it came out neat. Sometimes, you know, like this right here. Okay, now that's actually the hardest part. Now what you're going to do is take these, turn them over, and you're simply going to glue these on to make these lids. Very simple project. Did I do this right? Yes, ma'am. Put a little bit of that, and then hot glue it in the middle. And we're just going to put these on top. These are great for, I mean, you could use these for, obviously you can use them as what they're intended as a candle holder, but you can also use them for different things. I was thinking they would be great to use as, did I put hot glue on that? These would be great to use like for a tray, if you wanted to make a tray. There's different things you could use with these. I think they just make really cool looking knobs. Let that sit for a minute. Now I also purchased a silver set, and I've had these jars forever, and I got these at Michael's, and they were only like a couple dollars, and you could probably find these at the dollar store too. Something similar. It doesn't have to be exact, but I thought this would be a really neat little thing. You just use these as lids. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you what you could use these as, and it'd be very elegant, beautiful idea. So here I thought this would be a great idea to use these as coffee and sugar holders. Now I didn't have enough sugar, but you can see it's very simple. Just remove the lid, And it's a elegant looking little set that you can use. I thought that was really cute, and so that is one of the ideas that you can do with this. Now here's another idea I thought of. In the bathroom, I had some pink beads, and I thought that would look really pretty. Pink and gold always look great together. So I thought that would be a really classy little way to show off your bath beads, and they smell good. And here's the other one. I decided to put Q-tips in them. I thought that was a really good idea. You can also put little mini soaps, or you can put cotton balls. It's just a really elegant looking little container that you can use, and it's very beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Here you can also put them side by side as a little duo. And I thought that was another cute little thing you can do. You can also make more than one. You can make a set of three, as I did with these on another DIY. I think they're very pretty, and they look really good with the top. It's a different type of what is it called? The knob. The knobs I just think are awesome. They look really cool. And if you wanted to, you could use it also, put something in there and use it as a candle holder if you wanted to. But I like this idea. I just love the way it's different. It's unique. You're not going to see something like this in your average store. So I just think it's a really beautiful way to dress up your bathroom.